Welcome you all. The next point in your syllabus that is about the climax theory. So question may be asked for 5 or 10 marks. Write a detailed note on concept of climax. So here first of all you write the introductory part from succession and different stages of the plant succession. So what is mean by succession? What is mean by succession?
Development of new communities.
Okay, development of the new community in the environmental area. So, first of all, you have to write about the definition of succession and introductory part of the characteristics of the succession. Then, next is about the stages of plant succession. So, what are the stages of plant succession? What are the stages of plant succession? So in plant succession, different stages. First one is the nutation. In nutation, the life or you can the starting of the community or living community that will be start in nutation. Then the second stage there is the invasion. Then after invasion there is the establishment of the different plant as well as living animal organisms will be takes place. Then there is the competitions in between the different organisms or living organisms that will take place. Then there is the reactions of these different topical level as well as in between the organisms that will be takes place. Then the next stage is the stabilization, and in last one is the climax. So in climax there is the stable community that will be developed in environmental area. So here after the succession you have to write about the different stages of the succession. Then let's move towards the climax theory. In that, the first concept of this climax, first of all, you have to write about the concept of the climax. So eventually when the succession that will terminate in a community which is in the state of equilibrium with the surroundings, such a steady community or termed as climax by the scientist Clement in 1960. So scientist Clement, that is the the scientists female, they are the ecological scientists. They do the lot of work on the succession or different issues related to the environment. In 1960, they have explained that the community that will develop at the end of the succession, this community that will be fit or there will be steady community or stable community will be developed on that particular environment. Those those plant species which are not suitable for that environment area, that will be they will be dead and finish their life. But those species which are stable to that environmental condition, they are only remain at the climax stage. Then there is second point is the climax community excludes the potentiality dominant species from the coming stabilized one. So in climax condition, climax community are only organisms that can be stable, those are dominant, those are uh, those communities, they will be stable out for particularly in that particular area. जो community strong है, dominant है, वही उस climax stage में वहाँ पे survive हो सकते. Others, those other species they will be perish. Then third point, it has the diversity of species and a complex food web so that the ratio of the community production to the respiration is 1. Thus, the community with balanced resource perpetuate indefinitely unless it is disturbed by disease, fires, and geological features. So, or geological factors. So, at that time, when the stable community that will be developed, there is the food web. As you know, food web, there is the chain or food chain. So once community that will be depend on the other community, and one of the large community, on that large community some smaller communities or different type of smaller organism that will depend on the large community. For example, if we take the large, if you take the large mango trees, so on these mango trees, some birds are there, some different smaller insects, they are also living on that plant. Then on fruits or flowers, there are also some other living organism, they are depend on that plant. That's why on that stable community, around that the different smaller organisms they are developed on that particular area. So they can make their food chain. So if the due to some geological factors or some diseases, if the one community that will be disturbed, ultimately उसकी वजह से जो बाकी कम्युनिटीज है, बाकी कम्युनिटीज भी डिस्टर्ब हो जाएंगी. सो इन फूड चेन एक कम्युनिटी के ऊपर दूसरी कम्युनिटी डिपेंड रहती है, उसी तरह उनका एक पूरा चेन बना रहता है. यदि कोई डिसीज या तो डिसीज की वजह से या तो कोई जियोलॉजिकल फैक्टर, यदि फायर लग सकती है वहाँ पे, कोई यदि ड्रॉट कंडीशन आई या तो एकदम से ज्यादा हाई रेनफॉल हुआ, तो उसकी वजह से यदि एक कम्युनिटी अफेक्ट हो जाएगी तो पूरा जो फूड चेन है वो फूड चेन पूरा अफेक्ट होता है. देन अकॉर्डिंग टू द साइंटिस्ट climax community, they are characterized by the following different characters. First one is the unity. So what are the ऐसे भी हम पूछ सकते हैं कि what are the characters of the climax. So this first character, it is the unity. So in climax community with a few dominant species developed under a set of factors and it remains stable under the climatic condition, that it cannot be replaced by local climate. So climate stage, that means they are particularly developed on that environmental condition. So generally these community that not be affected in any local, यदि थोड़ा बहुत क्लाइमेट चेंज होता है तो उसका उस पूरे क्लाइमेट स्टेज पे कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं होता है. यदि लार्ज साइज में यदि कोई जियोलॉजिकल फैक्टर अफेक्ट करेगा तभी एक आध कम्युनिटी उससे अफेक्ट हो सकती है, बट द स्टेबल कम्युनिटी दैट कैन नॉट बी अफेक्टेड, दे विल बी स्टेबल or they are remains stable in that particular conditions. Then the second second characteristics of this climax is the stability. So in climax community, as you know, with some dominant species are developed under the such factors and it remains so stable under the different climatic condition that cannot be replaced by the competition. So if In climax, the forest will develop. This forest not generally these forest area these are not generally affected by the any climatic conditions, and they as it is remains in the climatic conditions. They are not generally replaced by or they are not affected by the competitions between the different plant species. As you know, in forest there is the large size trees or large trees of the different or different plant species are there. But in that competition is there. But generally they are not replaced by these. If the climate will be adverse, they are not affected by this community. So in climate stage, there is the stability will be maintained. Then the third characteristics of these climates, it is the origin and phylogenetic relations. So the scientists claimants they are postulated that means they are example that the organismic concept to explain the development of the climax community. So here, the regarded the entire process of the succession, it is the development of the entire organism which has to pass through stages of the changing ages. So the concept of the climax has been the most controversial issue. Many workers have expressed divergent view about this concept. So according to the Clements, scientist Clements, the origin and phylogenetic relations, they are mostly observed in the climax community. In the entire process of the succession, as we know, the succession that will be takes place by the different stages. So, according to the changing the ages of these entire organisms, the different stages will be takes place, and according to the stages, the different communities of these organisms are developed according to the environmental or the according to the climatic conditions. So these are the three main properties or main characteristics of the climates. In that, first one is the unity, then second one is the stability, and third one is the origin and phylogenetic relation. These three characteristics are explained by the scientist Clements according to the different studies on this climax community, and they can found that these main three characters regarding the climax community. First one, it is the unity, then stability and origin and phylogenetic relation. So they can found that in community there is the mostly in unity there is some dominant species are found and they are cannot be easily replaced by any local climatic condition. Then in stability, some species or some plant species that are developed, they are stable in that condition after in between the competitions of the different species, different plant species will take place, but these planets community they are not easily replaced. And in origin and phylogenetic relations, here they can mention that the community of the plant species they are developed due to the undergoing different stages of the plant succession, and according to the age the different plant community they will be replaced by another community, and at last there is the stable community will be developed. So this is about regarding the characteristics of the climates. Then, regarding this theory, regarding the concept of the climax, some controversial issues are there. Some scientists having the different opinion regarding the climax community. So here there is the two theories that have explained about the climax. So first theory is the monoclimax theory. So in scientist Clemens put forth this monoclimax theory, and according to the scientist Clement, they can mention that the climax community, it is a unit of vegetation which is primarily governed by the climate. So in climax community हमने देखा है कि वहाँ पे जो stable community है उसका ही वहाँ पे हमें ज्यादातर वेजिटेशन वही जो डोमिनेंट स्पीसीज रहेगी उस पर्टिकुलर क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन में वही प्लांट्स हमें वहाँ पे नजर आएंगे. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लाइमेट they can mention that according to the climate the particular community or particularly plant species will be developed. Then it has stabilized itself and it is perfectly in a state of equilibrium with its environment. So according to the environment this particular plant that will be dominant, so they develop their or they make stable to that particular environment. They cannot be easily replaced. Then the science they are doubted and they change the concept of the stability. So the scientist Cowell, they make their opinion that according to him the stability, that means the equilibrium state, never reacted and succession in fact a variable approaching variables rather than the constant. So scientist Cowell then doubt about the stability. So the scientist Clement, they show the stability, that means the stable community, they cannot be changed in any local or any local climatic condition. But here the scientist Cowell, they opinion that the succession or the stability, that means the variable or they will be changing one, because according to the climatic condition some changes that will be takes place in the plant species. एक इसका मत है कोवेल, जो साइंटिस्ट कोवेल है उन्होंने क्या बताया कि जो भी लोकल क्लाइमेट है उसकी वजह से प्लांट में कुछ चेंजेस वहाँ पे स्टेबल कम्युनिटी में कुछ चेंजेस वहाँ पे होते हैं. लेकिन साइंटिस्ट क्लेमेंट्स ने क्या बताया कि जो भी लोकल क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन है थोड़ी बहुत जो चेंज होती है उसका स्टेबल कम्युनिटी के ऊपर कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं होता है. तो ये अलग अलग साइंटिस्ट के अलग अलग ओपिनियंस हैं. देन the cereal communities of samospheres, lithospheres and hydrospheres coverage and culminate in a single climatic climax according to the monoclimax theory. So in monoclimax theory, the scientist Clemens, they can mention that the all communities, that means samospheres. What is mean by samosphere? Answer me, what is samosphere? That is the succession that will start on the sand dunes. So here the succession will start on sand, या तो rocks या aquatic condition. The end point or climax community, it is the same, that is the formation of the forest or the forest stage, it is the climax stage. So in monoclimax में क्या बताया है कि जो भी communities और जो भी succession कहाँ से भी start हो, या तो sand से हो, रॉक सरफेस पे हो या एक्वाटिक कंडीशन में हो, उसका जो एंड है टर्मिनेट जो है वो टर्मिनेट क्लाइमेक्स वहाँ क्लाइमेक्स पॉइंट पे ही वो टर्मिनेट हो जाती है एंड दिस क्लाइमेक्स point, that is the single point, that is development of the forest stage. It is the climax stage of the any succession. So this is about the monoclimax theory. Monoclimax में at the end there is a single forest community is developed. So then next one, climax theory. In polyclimax theory, the scientists translate strongly oppose the concept of monoclimax and advocated the polyclimax theory. तो जो पॉलीक्लाइमेक्स थ्योरी है वो किसने प्रपोज की है, तो साइंटिस्ट ट्रांसले ने उनको ए मोनोक्लाइमेक्स थ्योरी उनको or they will be disagree with this monoclimax theory. That's why they are proposed the polyclimax theory. So according to this theory, they can mention that the climax is not governed by a single factor like climate, but many factors like topography, fire, etc. So they mentioned that the climax it is not only depend on the climate. So instead of the climate, there is the other topography factor, जो other जो factors है, these are also affected on the climax. Then Clemens through accepted the importance of the local factors in shaping the climax, believed that such a temperature varying communities eventually terminate in the climatic climate. So the scientists, Clemens, they also agree with that, and they also suggest that instead of this environment or climatic condition, some also the local factors that will also helpful for finalizing or stabilizing the climax community. So here he introduced a new terminology to accommodate such a temporary changes controlled by factors other than the climate. So they can differentiate the polyclimax into again two types, two subtypes, that is subclimax and disclimax. So in subclimax stage, that means the subclimax is the stage of proceeding climax. It continues to persist in subfinal stage as it marks toward. Then climax has been inhibited by disturbance like fire, overgrazing, etc. Sometimes the pine forest in eastern United States, it is regarded as a subclimax to hardwood wood climax because of the reoccurring the fire. So in subclimax, there is some local climatic factors. They are also affecting the climax stage. So here, in case of this pine forest in United States, so what's happened there? So in that, due to the fire, some or the forest that will be uh, goes under the fire. So all community that will be disturbed out. So that way the polyclimax or the climax community that will be differentiated into subclimax. In subclimax, there is the disturb the local community there and local climatic conditions that will be affected on that climax stage. And instead of fire, some overgrazing animals, these animals are also affected the forest stage. In this climax, there is the community which has been modified and become stabilized through disturbances by man's and organic factors. So, and this climax may directly some man's or the other biotic factor, that is mean living organism, they are affected the climax community. So the introductions of fungus called chestnut blight has wiped out the dominant chestnut tree in the form of forest of North America. So here again give the one example in North America. In North America, what's happened in their forest? There is the chestnut trees are there. Dominant chestnut trees are there. So due to the fungus growing of the fungus species, the whole forest that will be or whole chestnut trees in forest that will be affected. So it is again the it is the biotic factor. Fungi attack of the fungi, it is the biotic factor. So it is comes under the this climate, and the other trees have invaded in the forest. So there is in polyclimax, there is the again two types, subclimax and disclimax. Subclimax in the sense the forest that will be affected some due to some local climatic conditions like fire or overgrazing. In case of the disclimax, the climax community that will be affected due to the man or some biotic factors. Here सबक्लाइमेक्स का एग्जांपल कौन सा है तो जो यूनाइटेड स्टेट में जो पाइन फॉरेस्ट है दिस पाइन फॉरेस्ट दैट विल बी अफेक्टेड ड्यू टू द फायर एंड जो डिस्क्लाइमेक्स में आप जो नॉर्थ अमेरिका में जो चेस्टनट ट्रीज है फॉरेस्ट के अंदर जो चेस्टनट ट्रीज है these all are affected due to the infections of the fungus. So here these are two types of this polyclimax theory. In exam, the question may be asked regarding the examples of these subclimax and disclimax. तो यहाँ पे कौन से फॉरेस्ट किस वजह से अफेक्ट हुए थे वो आपको क्लियरली वहाँ पे याद रखना पड़ेगा. So here the theories of these climax, the different theories on the climax that will be over. All of you are understand this point. Okay, then I can stop here. If you are not got the clearly about these theories, I can again repeat it in the at the time of